What is the difference between simple variable and lazy variable in Swift? In Swift, simple variable initialize created as we create a class and call it. But on the other hand, lazy var lazy variable we will create when we call the code, the function which using that variable. At that time that variable will be created. So it is not created on start but created when we call that part of code, and after creating it will store in memory and then use as a simple variable. We can watch it in practice. We create a class user profile, and then we create a lazy variable that will be a string type variable. Lazy var full name, we name it full name and it is string type. In that variable we will print a statement and a return statement. Return will do combine full first name and last name and return a full name. We are missing our variables, that is the reason it is giving us error. So we are add that two variables, first name and last name, first name and the last name. So now we call the create the class variable and print full name. Now we can check it. Need to show the console. Now if we click play it in playground, it now you can see it is not print computing full name because we just create a class, not call the full name. In the next print, if we call the print full name, it will call computing full name print statement. Our print statement is now in our console output, and it combine the first name and last name and print it out. Now if we run it again, it will not regenerate that function, it will just print the first name and last name. We can check it. You can see it did not call again computing full name, it just return the value that is in memory, already in memory, not compute it every time. Now it's behave like a normal variable. Thanks for watching.